Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you all how to make an iron-on t-shirt design. So yeah, let's get started. So here I have Design Space opened up. I won't be uploading a design as I'm going to do a Bible quote, so it's going to be text. So I click on text here. So first I'm going to make my text the size I need it to be. So I've actually written these separately so I can do one above the other, otherwise it'll be way too long to fit on the t-shirt. So I just position it like this. That looks straight, yep. And to join the two together, you just select the whole thing and press weld down the bottom here. And now they're one. And adjust the verse. Now, instead of leaving it horizontal, because the mat will only go up to 12, which is about here, I want to change that to flip it over. So you go to rotate 90 degrees, type in 90. And so if you picture the mat, I've actually got a longer mat that goes down to 24. The Cricut mats come in a 12 by 12 or a 12 by 24. So use the longer mat for this. So it's turned vertical. Okay, so now we've got the writing the size that we want it to be and set out in the way we want it to be as well. We can start measuring the iron-on and setting up the Cricut mat. So here I've just been measuring the width of the t-shirt that I'm going to stick the writing on. And I've also measured out the iron-on bits that I'm going to need. This big bit for the main writing. And for the small writing, this part here. So here I've got my 12 by 24 Cricut cutting mat. So just going to peel the top off. Okay, so when you put your material on the mat, you want this shiny side to be face down on the mat, so touching the green part, with the matte kind of look facing upwards. So we're going to turn the machine on, pressing that button. I'm going to change this dial so it faces iron-on, like that. If you have this type of machine, see that little dot just here? Just make it face where it says iron-on. Okay, so back on the computer, I've selected here that I'm using a 12 by 24 mat, as you can see here. And because we're using iron-on, you have to press mirror. Okay, once that's all ready, you can then press continue. Up here, it will show you the machine that it's connecting to, which is my Air 2. It will then come up with set material. It's already set to iron-on, as I showed you how to do before. When the light starts flashing on the machine, you can put your mat through. Press the button. Okay, once the mat's loaded, press the C button. Once that's done, press the button and it will come out. Okay, so then you can remove the iron-on sheets from the mat. Okay, so now we're going to do a little bit of weeding. Okay, so now we're going to try and position the writing on the t-shirt. So just measure it out. Halfway is around here. Okay, so now we're in the laundry. We're going to iron it on. So what I like to do is I like to get a couple of pieces of, you know, just like an old rag, and pop it on top of the iron-on, just so it's not too hot when the iron touches it. Like that. Okay, so now you're going to get your iron and put it on one of the hotter settings. I've got mine on cotton just because this shirt's cotton and I don't want it to get too hot. So then what you're going to do is you're going to press down on one section of the writing for about 15 seconds and hold it there. So then take that off and flip the shirt over. Do the same thing as before, but with the other side of the shirt. Holding it for 15 seconds. So that's the finished product there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and feel free to subscribe to see other things that I might create. Alright guys, thanks for watching.